Throughout life, a person continuously struggles for three things. 1, that my name becomes respected and famous. 2, that my clothes look beautiful and elegant. 3, that my house becomes grand and luxurious. But the moment death arrives, Allah Almighty changes these three things first. Name, the deceased. Clothes, shroud, kafan. Home, grave. Yet despite this reality, al-insan remains lost in pride, greed, jealousy, and the deception of this temporary world. Just reflect for a moment. Why be so proud of a life whose final destination is only a shroud, a grave, and a few fading memories? True success is not in fame, expensive clothes, or beautiful houses. True success lies in good character, righteous deeds, and earning the pleasure of Allah. O mankind, this world is temporary, but the hereafter is the eternal reality.